Ooh, child. Y'all, I think we might have fleas. Gross, right? Remember I told you guys that we took on some kittens? Like, we got the kittens on the ceiling. Like, I don't even want to stand one place because every time I stand, I get bite, okay? Oh my God. The minute I come out here, I'm getting bite up. I always thought this was some white people shit, I swear. Forgive me if I'm being ignorant, okay? I always thought fleas and ticks was some white people shit, but as long as you were pets, yeah, that's what happened. So, before I even realized that we had fleas, I already told Brianna's father that I want the kittens to go outside because I'm tired and I'm done with them, okay? They were, they got really comfortable. They was big enough. Um, they were eating like real food. They didn't have to suck on their mother no more like that. So I was like, okay, it's time to go. They can fend for themselves. Like, they used to be jumping up all in the chair. Every time we would come out, like we would be in a room and we would come out, we would see them in the chair. They'd be all on top of, they even be on the table, look like, all on the windowsill, behind the curtains. Like, they used to have this living room for themselves. Like, they used to be carrying on bad in here, okay? They used to be on everything. And I was like, okay, it's time to go. It's time to go because, number one, we don't have y'all to no vet or nothing like that. And they have a baby. I don't want to catch nothing, you know. And Kitty is outside. Kitty's an outside cat. Their mother. So, I don't know what the hell she has. She always inside chill now with her babies, you know, feeding them, and they just be chilling. We had a little rug down here that I think the fleas got attached to as well. I was sitting one morning and I noticed these brown things on my leg, girl, and I was like, you can't go on the floor. These things are biting, girl. Um, I noticed some brown things on my leg, and a girl, I was hoping it was sunflies, okay? Y'all, I watched cartoons back in the day, and I always remember this scene from a cartoon, whereas fleas, they jump. They don't crawl, they don't fly, they jump. Like, these things were jumping on me, like, they're like fast. They're like, what the fuck, y'all? I almost left Brianna father in his house by himself, okay? Girl, I'm so gross to fuck out. I'm so gross out. Like, I have to... Like, I just want to throw the whole house away now. Like, I want to go home. I want to go home. I might stand one place for like 2 seconds. That's why I'm trying to move up and down. Like, I get bite. Like, these things jump on me and bite me. They feel like kind of like sunfly bites. One of the reasons why I didn't go home, because I was like, okay, Quisha, I was like, okay, you're gonna be selfish if you go home. I don't wanna bring fleas to my home, you know. It's cheaper I just stay here and deal with it. I don't want to be going to no one's house or even letting nobody inside here because I don't want no one to have that problem. So I was like, you know what, don't be selfish and go home and you bring fleas home with you. So that's one of the reasons why I'm staying here and stickling out and getting bited. Okay, I'm just waiting for Brianna's father to bring his ass because these needs to go. Anyway, so y'all, I have that like shirt on Brianna hair because I don't want nothing to crawl on. I didn't want nothing to crawl on the hair. I couldn't find up on it, so I had to put the shirt on the head. I did my research on Google, so I feel a little much better now that I did my research. They said that it won't attach to my hair or nothing like that. So hopefully it can. Since I did my research, I feel much better now. You know, but that means like I'm still grossed out. I'm still I still don't want to sit anywhere. Cause girl, I got some hair on my Gucci. I got some hair on my Gucci and I don't want nothing to curl up in there. I want to make me some coffee. Girl, I just got bite just now. Like, these bitches hurt. They hurt. I'm just waiting for a moment to bring the stuff so we can declutter. I'm gonna vacuum the chairs and everything like that. Mop the floor with some hot water. I already took out the little rug out the house or whatever like that. Now we gotta go take a second trip to the laundromat, wash everything. Girl. Anyways, I'm gonna update you guys. Um that's what you be, just trying to be nice and help the cats out. And we got fleas. We got fleas now. That's the reason why I don't fuck with animals like that. I mean, you can carry them to the vet, whatever like that. But other men, they still might get it because you have grass and shit. Now you gotta take care of your grass. That's a lot of money and shit. You know what? Bye. I'm gonna update you guys on our flea situation later. Okay.
Yeah, Justin Diamond, Alvin, let's go. Yeah. I'm in the whip with authority, looking like Sky Bree, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartier's. And the deserve it, put in work for the money she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service, never gotta block these, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi, with a bad look like Sky Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that.
Good job. Summer's here, baby. Summer's here. Okay, guys. So I got some hot water on. I'm gonna mop the floor with the hot water. And the honest father just bring the salt, the baking soda, some Dawn detergent. I know y'all can't see the sweat, but baby, I'm sweating like a motherfucker. Okay, we have one delay. So the vacuum isn't working, and he has the next vacuum to work with him. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mop the floor, lay down the baking soda and the salt, and leave it for like 3 days. Then I'm gonna vacuum. Now what I wanted to do was do a deep clean, okay, but I can't do it by myself because I have Brianna. I have to keep on stopping. I have to make boy put her to sleep. Sometimes she wants to come behind me, so what we have to do is probably take her next door for a few hours and we just deep clean the whole house. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Catch all the rooms, everything, because this is like basically a junk room right there. So that's where the cats was. We're gonna deep clean in there, raise up this bed, deep clean underneath the bed, and do the whole 9 yards. Move the drawers, and Brianna can't be here, okay? I could do it myself, but Brianna cannot be here. Ooh, it's hot. So yeah, that's where we're at today. I'm gonna just put the baking soda down into a deep clean in the next 3 days or less.
With a bad bitch look like Sky Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that, yeah. Abu Dhabi, with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree, ooh. Right beside me, in the phantom off that, yeah. Shorty a dancer with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a land truck, don't need no man, but I'll man up for that. Ooh, put it on camera. She a freak, nothing I can't handle. When I'm pulling up in that phantom, I got a wetter than Niagara. To my dog, I'm with the leash. Ain't no one holding me back, I'm a beast. Showing them off, all of my teeth. None of them with me in these streets. Ooh, Sky Bree hit me in my DMs. I've been trying to meet up and see ya. I can fly you out to Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me in the phantom off that, yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me in the phantom off that, yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me in the phantom off that, yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad bitch look like Sky Bree. Ooh, right beside me in the phantom off that, yeah.
Okay, guys, so I already laid some of the baking soda and salt down inside the room. Now I'm gonna put it all through the living room and the kitchen. Yeah.
with authority, looking like Skybri, she got a body, ayy. And she been calling me daddy lately, want me to put her in Cartiers, and the deserve it. Put in work for the money, she earn it. Give me top every night, lip service. Now I gotta block these, she worth it. I'm out in Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Skybri, ooh, right beside me. In the phantom off that yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Skybri, ooh, right beside me. In the phantom off that yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Skybri, ooh, right beside me. In the phantom off that yeah. Abu Dhabi with a bad look like Skybri, ooh, right beside me. In the phantom off that yeah. Shorty a dancer with her OnlyFans, got her bands up. She independent, got a land truck, don't need no man, but I'm
good child. Anyways guys, I'm just trying to cool down. I look purple. That's how much sweating I've been doing. I have the baking soda everywhere. I haven't gotten bite yet, surprisingly. After I mop the floor with hot water, I never mop my floor with hot water. I don't know. I always clean my floors with cold water. Oh gosh. Now it's a bed breathe. Then I'm going inside the tub because I'm hot, babes. Like I'm hot. So of course my camera turned off. I ran out of memory when I was getting Brianna dressed, of course. But anyways, she's down for her nap. Oh my god, I couldn't wait. Because I want to bathe. It's hot. I need to bathe. It's like, one thing about kids, they don't care if it's sweaty, dirty, smelly. I'm not saying I'm smelly, but one thing I can say about them, when it's time for them to eat or sleep or cuddle on you, they don't care. Okay, I was trying to go in bed before Brianna got sleepy because I know I've been sweating all day, but she don't care. She was all up on me like white on fucking rice from a freaking baby. I think I mentioned that in the vlog back. Like, they don't care. Like, sometimes you just have to do what you have to do as a mother, okay? You just have to get it done. Throw something over you, a cloth or something over you where they're gonna stay face on, and you gotta rock their ass to sleep or do something. Because if they don't get their sleep, they ain't gonna let you do nothing, honey. They ain't gonna let you do nothing. I mop and sweep and put down the baking soda like an hour and a half ago. I still haven't felt nothing bite me yet, so that's a good thing. So I'll update you guys on another situation in my next vlog, because I'm just gonna end the vlog here, okay? I'm gonna jump in the shower and just relax because I'm hot and tired and sweaty.